first classical dance workshop was held in Rudrapur, Uttarakhand on 12th January 2021 with great enthusiasm. International artist Kumar Sharma arrived at Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. Mr. Sujit Singh Grover, Pro Vice Chairman, Managing Committee DPS, Rudrapur delightfully welcomed him. Kumar Sharma glanced at the infrastructure of the school and was surprised to see the beautiful campus and prestigious faculty. He was very happy with how progressively the school was giving a platform to children to learn and explore. Children were so happy to see him in front of them as they had only seen him performing graceful dance only on digital screens. Children were so excited to learn steps from international Kathak fusion. Upon persistent request of children, he gave a special performance which was alluring and breathtaking. Children were inspired to learn our ancient dance form.
Are you excited, everyone? एक दो तीन चार पाँच, एक दो तीन चार पाँच, एक दो तीन चार पाँच. First of all, thank you so much, Neha ji, Manjari ji, for calling me over here, and it's my pleasure to be in this amazing city, and I can just see the vibes from this studio, amazing studio, that everything is going to be so amazing in the workshop. I want to say, whatever you love, either it is any art form or your any passion, just work towards it with true heart, and definitely you are going to achieve what you want in your life. But do whatever you want with the support of your parents. So if they are not agreeing to it, just make them understand, and they will definitely understand your passion. So work towards it with agreement of your parents, definitely. So definitely you are going to achieve the success, and if your parents are with you, so your success rate is definitely going to get double. So these are my wishes, and I wish all the luck to all the participants of this workshop also, and thank you everyone. Keep loving me like this only. Thank you.
We have with us the director of Beats and Step Dance Studio, Neha Sridhar. Ma'am, this is your dream which came to today, to have Kumar Sharma in Rudrapur, Uttarakhand, and that too, you yourself is a classical dancer, right? So what was your mission to have Kumar Sharma over here in Rudrapur, Uttarakhand for the very first time, and for a workshop, a classical dance workshop?
Oh yes, एक्चुअली आजकल बच्चे, हमारा यूथ वेस्टर्न की तरफ बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है. तो और आजकल जो चल रहा है उसमें ये है कि पीएम सर भी यही बोल रहे हैं कि मेक इन इंडिया. तो दैट्स नॉट द थिंग कि हम सिर्फ मेक इन इंडिया को सिर्फ कुछ चीज़ों तक और उस तक लेके चलें. हमारा मानना है कि हम इसको अपने कल्चर, अपने आर्ट की तरफ, अपने संस्कृति की तरफ इसको बढ़ाएं. सो हमने सोचा है कि हम अपने कल्चर को आगे प्रमोट करेंगे. तो इसी में हमारी ये छोटी सी पहल है, और इसके साथ हम यूथ को ये भी बताना चाहते हैं कि जब हम अपना कल्चर, अपना क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म करते हैं, तो हम वो बिल्कुल उससे बच्चों का लाइफस्टाइल बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करता है. क्योंकि जब हम ये लाइफस्टाइल करते हैं, ये डांस फॉर्म करते हैं, तो हम पहले प्रणाम करते हैं, सो दैट गॉड विल ग्रेस. तो ये सारी चीज़ों से बच्चों का लाइफस्टाइल और उनका लगाव अपने कल्चर के लिए बढ़ता है.
So, what is your plan for your students which are in your Beats and Steps Dance Studio? Where you see them in the future?
हम ये चाहते हैं कि जो भी बच्चा यहाँ पर सीख रहा है, क्लासिकल फॉर्म हम बच्चों को करवा रहे हैं, तो हम इसे और अपने स्टूडेंट्स को एक नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर लेके जाएं, ताकि स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म में इंटरेस्ट इंक्रीज हो, जो कि आजकल बिल्कुल ख़त्म होता हुआ नज़र आ रहा है।
International workshop which held in Rudrapur in your city. So, what you have learned and how was the experience of this workshop?
It was really great the way he taught us the basics of Kathak and Tatkars and Pero Ka Chalan was amazing the way he taught, and this is really a huge platform for the people who don't know Kathak to learn the basics, the way he's teaching.
We liked it a lot and we want to learn further. It was much unique style and we learned very much.
It was a pleasure performing and learning in front of Kumar sir, and I am really enjoying the workshop.
It is really good and I am feeling so much happy because I am attending first workshop from Sir Kumar Sharma sir, which is a Kathak master of India, and it is a very good experience for me.
We can't imagine that sir will be dancing in front of us and we'll be dancing there, and we actually had goosebumps when we saw him because the dance was amazing. We always seen this dance on YouTube and other videos, but it was a great experience.
I didn't expect कि रुद्रपुर में he will come and he will perform for us. I was awestruck by his performance, the way he performed, the way he did it, and I wanted to learn more and I wanted to learn his choreography more and more as soon as he started teaching us.
It's a dream that come true after a long time. So we just hope that sir continue to teach us.
The event organizer of this program, Manjari Batta. Ma'am, this is the very first time you are organizing this kind of workshop, and that too by an international artist, Kumar Sharma. So what you will say on this?
Thank you so much, everyone, and good morning. And I would like to thank Voice Asia for supporting us in this event. Thank you, really. We definitely had a problem convincing people to come for a classical workshop because people here are more inclined towards contemporary or Bollywood style and all. But this Kathak workshop is going to be something very different because we'll be having the fusion of Bollywood and Kathak. And I'm really privileged that such a big personality, such a big, and he's such a humble person, has come over here to share his knowledge and share his experience with us.
मैं सबसे पहले धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा वॉइस एशिया का, जिनके सौजन्य से आज एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कथक कलाकार श्री कुमार शर्मा जी रुद्रपुर में आए, और हमारे बच्चों को इसका बहुत लाभ मिलेगा क्योंकि डीपीएस हमेशा प्रयास करता है कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर बच्चों को एक्सपोजर मिलना चाहिए, और बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि उनका यहाँ आना हमारे लिए बहुत सौभाग्य की बात रही। मैं एक बात जरूर कहना चाहूँगा कि इस क्षेत्र ने आर्थिक रूप से बहुत विकास किया है, लेकिन सांस्कृतिक रूप में अभी विकास की बहुत गुंजाइश है, और ऐसे महान कलाकार अगर हमारे पास आते रहेंगे तो निश्चय ही बच्चों को एक नया मार्गदर्शन मिलेगा, और वॉइस एशिया से मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इसी टाइप के कार्यक्रम यहाँ करवाते रहेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।